Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So on the first one, this one that is about 1 over log base e of s. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. This one that is about e. The integration of this one that is about s, and I will put about c. Now we have the second one, so we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one that is about u. The integration of this one, we have the u. So this one we have like this. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.